Chickens! Oh, that's a rooster. No?
Big slide door. We can get on both the slides. All that's included.
Yeah, that's awesome. He's having a ball. Oh, look at those peacock. We're going to get a picture of these turkeys for Grandpa before we leave. Oh, chickens! You like those guys? He wants to go in. He likes the chickens. Look at that toddler slide play set. Shoot if you... Aww.
Oh, they'll peck him.
No, buddy.
They'll run before they peck him.
Oh, okay. Joseph, look at this Mr. Turkey over here. Nice turkeys. Gobblers. Ooh, Grandpa would like those. Gobblers. Gobble, 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 gobble. What, Joe?